guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to this glamorous day. Today we are going to attempt vlogging. And of course I would choose a day that I'm really not doing anything. I'm in this beautiful t-shirt. Beautiful, no makeup. Towel dried hair, you know, just glam. But I just finished editing a video and I have to grocery shop, cook some dinner later, hang out with my hubby, so I just wanted to start vlogging, so let's just do the damn thing. Let's go see what the princess is up to. I don't know why, but our air filter makes this horrible sound. Might just change the filter too. Oh. Oh my. Oh my darling. How are you today, love bug? This is Murph and she's our baby. Don't judge. I let her lay on these sheets, and when someone comes I just get new ones, so she's not icky. Right, Murph? So I need to clean up the bedroom and do my hair so I can film something and then get to the grocery store. So real exciting stuff, but what else? Let's just do it. I'm going to straighten my hair now. So boring, don't you find? I just toned my hair because it was getting pretty yellow. And I have just been watching so many freaking videos on how to do your hair at home. Everyone's telling me not to do it, but I want to. I try not to use purple shampoo too much because I feel like people do that. It's counterintuitive, and I feel like when you use it a lot, it can make your hair look dull. I kind of have been forgetting to do it, and in pictures I'm like, oh my god. I just put shimmer lights on the purple shampoo by Clairol dry and leave it on for a few minutes, and that seems to do the trick. Yeah, if you really need to tone your hair without using a toner, you can just use purple shampoo, and I do it dry, and it seems to work pretty well, so. Straightening hair complete. I don't know why I decided to straighten my hair. Probably just because it takes me half the time as it does to curl it, but I feel like I look like a 12-year-old when my hair is straight. But I am just going to set up so I can film. I have no idea what I'm going to film. I don't know what to film. Oh, are you giving me loving? Are you giving me loving? You don't know what to seize, do you? You don't know what to seize, do you? This dog is like the sassiest dog in the freaking world. I'm convinced. You know what? I feel like she is Stewie and I'm Lois, and she's planning to kill me from Family Guy, but we'll find out. Of course, my freaking camera died, so I just finished filming and we're just gonna go on to the grocery store. So nothing crazy up in here. Let's go. Bye. I love you, Cuckoo. I look so ratchet walking out to my car barefoot, but my sandals are in the car. It is 5:40. Every soldier and their brother and sister are getting off work. And it's payday, which means commissary is freaking busting out the butt. So what I wanted to be a very quick trip is now going to take me 500 years. I'm a winner. Oh my freaking gosh, go ahead. I have road rage, y'all. Lord Jesus be with me. Like, it's so crowded.
2 hours later.
Mess. Sorry for the iPhone quality, but I feel like I just don't want to lug around my big ass DSLR. I am excited. I just got a great workout in. Friday. Gonna go on a date night tonight. Gonna get some sun. I've got all my work done this week, so I feel like today I can just kind of hang out, which is nice. It's hot as balls out here in Tennessee. I'm gonna go to the 99-cent Goodwill. I just haven't been in a long time. I don't know if I'm gonna film a lot in there, but I'll show you if I get anything. And I kind of want to look for a new shirt to sing with on Sunday, to wear to sing on Sunday. I can't talk. I look like a freaking swamp person. Like, word, I'm so sweaty. I normally have a hat in here, but I just don't have one. So, let's go to Goodwill.
Ever since the day that you went away.
fashion Princess Diaries. I wanted to show you guys my the goodies I got at Goodwill. With the footage you saw, it's just big bins and boxes of clothes. And it's really hard to kind of have a strategy when I'm in there. So I feel like I have to go when I'm in the mood. Yeah, I just kind of go to each box and kind of dig around for a little bit, and then if I don't find anything, I just move on. But when I do that, I feel like I have to change my strategy. Like I have to feel things for texture and how nice the quality is and the fabric and stuff. It's kind of random, but I didn't get that much. I got like 6 things, so this is kind of stupid. But let me show you the first thing I got actually. Actually, I got this as I was leaving Goodwill, and I just laughed so hard. So let me show you. I mean, like, it's weird and stupid. I got this doggy hoodie from Murph. Like, what the heck is wrong with me? This is a pink little hoodie from Murph. I'll put it on and insert a clip. You look so cute. You look so cute. That thing. I mean, I would never make her wear that, but it's just fun to have. Murph, you look so stylish. She's like, I'm not friends with you right now. Oh, let me see it. She looks, it's like bunching up in her chest area. Come on. I got these really cute gladiators. They are technically a kid size 4. And they looked pretty new to me, and I got them for 99 cents, and I love them. I got this Target bathing suit top, which is perfect because I have a black high-waisted bottom, and this like would go perfectly with it. Now, once again, I washed it, so I don't think it's gross, and it seems really like nice. It doesn't look gross, and it's like my size, and it's from Target, and I think it's a really nice bathing suit. And probably the best thing I got were these Gap jeans. They're my size and everything. Look like really, they don't look too worn or anything, and yeah, I got those for 99 cents. Washed them. The only thing is they don't have a lot of stretch to them. Gap jeans for 99 cents, and you can just, I can add them to my rotation in the fall. So I thought those were a great little find. And then this is where I might lose you guys. And Michael, I put this on the other day, and Mike literally looked at me like I had lost it. Okay. I don't really know what to say about this jacket, but the color's really pretty. It's just a bomber jacket. And it's kind of big. I mean, it's a size small, but it's not fitted. But I don't even know what's on it. I think it's flowers and jewels, and it's definitely not like hip and trying to be cool or whatever. I think it's just cool. I thought, and I sing at church with the youth and stuff, and I just thought this is something kind of funky to wear. And I don't know, like with jeans and some boots. I don't freaking know, but oh my gosh, when I put it on the other day, Mike and I were laughing so hard because I don't think he expected that. I was like, look at this jacket I got, and then I like came out of the laundry room, and we were laughing so hard because he was like, oh, that is fugly. But nonsense Goodwill haul, like what? I look so weird with that damn hoodie on the bed.
2 hours later.
Hello everybody. It is a lot later in the day. What did I do? I kind of just cleaned up the house, and me and Mikey are about to go on a date, which is so exciting because it has been way too long for us, so we really want to do this. Hey guys, I was just editing my vlog video and I realized that I didn't say bye to end the vlog, so thank you so much for watching. I know this is kind of random and new. I will get better at it, but yeah, I appreciate y'all watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!